Hello, teacher.
Hello. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right, Pau. Hmm. Okay, without any further ado, let's start our lesson. Okay, so we are now in activity 2. Watch. Okay. Much. Oh, sorry. I can see the screen. Why? What happened? Okay. What subjects are in your school timetable? What time are they? Ask and answer. Okay. Can you read this for me first before we proceed? When?
When is mass at 10 o'clock?
Yes, at 10 o'clock. All right.
At,
Okay, so you will go with what subject are in your school timetable. Okay, can you share to me what subjects do you have in your school?
uh, my subject in your school is
Are
uh,
are
English, uh,
are English, okay.
um, Vietnamese,
Okay.
uh, math,
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 mm-hmm.
um, history,
Yes, history.
uh, geography,
You have geography subject in your school?
yes,
Okay, geography
uh, and science,
yeah, science. What else? There's more?
uh, uh, BE and music.
And music. Okay. So you have 8 subjects in your school?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So you mentioned first English. So when is your English? What time English subject in your school starts?
Uh, at
At
at uh 9:30 o'clock in
nine
the
no,
evening
9:30 in the morning.
in 9:30 in the morning.
Yes. Okay, you can um say that it's 9:30 o'clock because o'clock only applies when the hand of the clock is on the 12. Okay?
Uh,
Okay, how about your math subject? What time is your math subject?
uh, at uh at at three three o'clock in at in the in in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay, how about geography? You said you have geography. So what time is your geography in your school?
Uh, uh, at
Mm-hmm.
at at uh at 8 8 8:45 in the morning.
Oh, in the morning, geography. Okay, how about science?
Science.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, at at two two 30 two o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, wait a sec. How about your history? You mentioned history.
History at at check at uh at
Mm-hmm.
at 4:45 in the
10:45.
45 for 4:50 in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay, how about your PE? Physical
Uh,
education. PE. PE and
uh,
history.
Noisy. At
Hello. At
at uh, mm,
mhm.
uh,
You can do it.
7 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, that's too early. Okay, 7 o'clock in the morning. How about history?
History at 7:45 in the morning.
Okay, at 7:45 in the morning. All right, very good, Pao. Okay, so let's proceed to activity 3. Listen to the teacher talking about changes in the school timetable. Write the subjects you hear. Okay, look at this chart, Bao. Okay, so pay close attention to this chart and to the audio that I will going to play. All right?
Yes,
Okay, you will going to identify what are the subjects that change its schedule in school timetable. All right?
yes,
You can also have your paper and pen so you can take note while listening. Okay, I will wait until get your paper and pen.
yes.
Okay, so let me play the audio. Okay, listen
Maths.
well.
Track 72.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to school after the holidays. Now, there are some changes to the timetable. I want you to write them down. Okay, are
Write
you
them
ready?
down. Yeah. Oops, what happened? Okay, sorry, Bao. What happened? I can't.
Reach your impossible, Lenovo Legion.
Welcome to Nespresso. What would you like to taste today? What about an iced double espresso?
Yes. Right. On Mondays, there aren't any changes to the timetable.
Do we have double maths in the morning?
Yes, you do. No changes on Monday. On Tuesday, your second lesson isn't art, it's history. Mr. Brown, your art teacher, doesn't teach on Tuesdays this term.
Does he teach art on another day?
Yes, he does. But I want to finish Tuesday first. Okay, the last lesson on Tuesday isn't IT, it's English with me. Right, so no changes on Monday and 2 changes on Tuesday. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Now, Wednesday, we've got a new music teacher this term. So the first lesson this term is music. It isn't maths.
Does she teach music after school too?
No, she doesn't. Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I do. I play the guitar.
Do we have PE in the afternoon?
Yes, you do. The last lesson is still PE. One more change. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On Thursday after lunch, you have art, not geography.
Do we have double art?
No, you don't. You have one lesson of art. So that's all the changes. Does anyone have any questions? Good. Let's start the lesson.
Okay. So let's go back to the book. Okay, bows. Look at activity 4. Look at the chart on the subject timetable. Okay. Okay. And number 3, can you tell me what are the subjects that you hear from the audio before we proceed on activity 4?
Track 73.
Hmm?
Example.
Okay. Can you mention all the subject? Can you tell me all the subjects that are mentioned from the audio in the audio?
Yes.
Okay, what?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
um,
What is it?
um, art,
Mm-hmm. What are the
IT,
subjects? Mm-hmm.
math,
Okay.
BE,
PE. Okay, very good.
geography,
Mm-hmm. What else?
geography,
Hmm? What is it? Bao?
uh, geography,
Geography. Okay. And how
and
about, did
English,
you already mention music?
music,
Yes, music.
English,
Mm-hmm.
English,
Okay. All right. So that's all. So in activity 4, okay, you were going to tell me, based on the audio that you've heard, you were going to tell me if Monday's schedule that doesn't have any change on the schedule, or if it change, you were going to tell me what is the new subject for this in this schedule, in this lot. Okay?
yeah,
All right. For example, on Monday, double maths. Is it
um,
there is no change, or there's a new subjects?
notes,
Hmm? Double math? Okay, no change. Very good. On Mondays. How
notes,
about on, yes, how about Bao on Tuesday?
uh, Tuesday,
Mm-hmm.
notes,
Does it doesn't have a change? Tuesday, they replace art with, okay, the original subject is art. Okay.
uh,
So there's change. Okay, there's a change in the timetable in this subject. Um in Tuesday. Okay, so it's art. Originally it's art, and they replaced it with what subject? With with
history,
yes. So originally art is their first subject, is their first lesson on Tuesday, but they replaced it
uh,
They replaced it with,
History.
yes, they replace it with history subject. Okay. How about, okay, Tuesday again. Last subject. Okay, Tuesday.
Uh,
What's the last subject originally is IT or information technology, and they replace it with what subject? With,
English.
yes, with English. Okay. How about Wednesday? Wednesday
Oh,
subject. Yes, Wednesday subject. Mm-hmm. Wednesday first
uh,
lesson originally is math, but they
uh,
replace
but,
it with, what is the new subject? It starts with letter M.
uh, eh,
Mm.
uh, MBS.
They
Music.
replace it with music subject. Okay. Okay, so this is the first lesson during
Uh,
Wednesday. Okay. Originally it's math and they replaced it with music. Okay, how about their last subject on Wednesday? Originally it's PE. Okay. Is there a change or no change? There a
Math.
change? Hmm? Is there a change on their last on their last subject and their last lesson for Wednesday?
Um,
What is your answer? No change or they replace it with new subject?
no change.
Yes, no
No,
change. It's still PE. So PE is still their last subject during Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday, sorry. Okay, how about on Thursday? Originally, it's
music.
geography, but they replace it with what subject?
Math. Ah, arch. Arch.
Art. Okay, art because math, they have a double math on Monday. They already have a double math on Monday. Okay, first lesson and then their last lesson is math. Okay, Bao?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what are your favorite school subjects? Can you share to me what are your favorite school subjects?
My favorite
Hmm?
subject
What is it again? Sorry?
is my favorite
School
subject
subject. Mm-hmm.
school subject is
Oh,
uh
mm-hmm.
uh is
Ah.
Vietnamese and
Okay.
art.
And art. Oh, okay. So you are interested in art. Do you love to
Uh
draw or paint?
yeah.
Yes. Okay, wow. All right. What else? Do you want to add more subject? You
No.
No. Okay, so it's art
And Vietnamese.
and Vietnamese. Okay, very good. All right, so let's move to the next page. Wow, grammar, present simple. Okay, look at the table and then choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay, can you read this for me? Do we
Uh,
have?
do we have double mass in the morning? Yes, you do.
Mhm.
Do we have BE in the afternoon? No, no, you don't. Does he teach us on another day?
Mhm.
Yes, he does. Does she teach music after school?
Does she teach
No.
music after school? No.
After, no, she doesn't.
Okay.
Do you play an instrument?
An instrument. Do you play an instrument?
Uh, yes, I do.
Mm-hmm.
Do they have English on Tuesday? No, they don't.
All right. So we use do or does to make questions and short answers with he and she. Okay. Number two, we use do and does to make questions and short answers with you, we, and they. Okay. So it's a
Yes,
present simple. It's a, okay. Pronouns. It's a pronouns. You. Okay. You, I, we, and they. Okay,
uh,
Koi. Okay, Bao. All right, so let's proceed on activity two, grammar reference and practice. Okay, look at Lara's school timetable. Complete questions and answers 1 to 3. Okay, so you will going to complete each questions and answers using present simple. Okay, like this. Using does and do. Like, do you have? Okay. Does
yeah,
and do. Okay. And you will also going to answer it using this. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Yes, he does. No, she doesn't. Yes, I or we do. No, they don't. Okay. Okay, Bao. So
yeah.
let's try. There's an example here. Can you read this for me? Does Laura?
Does
Mm-hmm.
Laura have geography on just Tuesday? Yes, she does.
Okay, yes, she does. Okay. Number one.
Uh, do you have science on Wednesdays?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yes, I have.
Okay,
I,
what is your answer? What is your
yes, I
question?
do. Yes, I do.
Okay, what is your question again, Bao? Can you repeat your question? Letter A.
Ủa, Lý Tần sang đi. You
You have. Mm-hmm.
do do you have science on Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
No, I no I I don't.
Yes. No, I don't. Okay. Oops, sorry, Bao. I forgot to show you the schedule of Lara. Okay. So let's study this. Timetable of Lara's schedule. Okay. Name is Lara. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until Friday. Okay. Can you read this for me? 9:15. 9:15.
9:15 Monday science.
Very
Uh,
good.
10 10 10 5 10 5
Mm-hmm. Okay. Very
uh,
good. 11.
11 20 history.
History. Okay. It is it is a military time. It means it is 1:30. It is
1:30
1:30. Yes, English.
English.
2:20.
2:30
2:20.
French.
Yes,
French.
French. Okay, how about Tuesday?
Tuesday. Art.
Art. Okay. And art.
And music. And music.
Mm-hmm. What else?
PE. Geography.
Yes, geography. Last subject.
History.
History.
Uh,
Okay, on Wednesday.
IT.
Okay.
Wednesday. IT. English. History. Math. Math.
Yes, double math. Okay. Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday. Geography.
Mm-hmm. Math again.
Math.
Mm-hmm.
Science. Music. BE.
All right. Okay, Friday.
BE. Science.
Mm-hmm.
Math.
Mm-hmm. Math.
IT. Math. IT. Science.
Okay, and science. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back now to activity 2. Okay, let's try. Look at Lara's school timetable. Complete questions and answer 1 to 3. Okay, number 1.
Do
Does
others
like this.
Sandra
Does Lara
does Laura
have
have science
science?
on Wednesday?
Does Lara have
Uh,
science on Wednesday? Look at her Wednesday schedule.
no,
No.
no,
She
no, doesn't.
Yes, no, she doesn't. Very good. Number 2. Does
Does
Lara
Sandra have art on Fridays?
Okay, on Friday? Does she have arts on Fridays?
Uh, no, no,
No.
she doesn't.
Yes, no, she doesn't. Very good. Okay, number 3. Does Lara
Does Sandra have history on Mondays?
Yes. On Monday, does she have history on Monday?
Uh, yeah, 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 she does.
Yes, she does. Very good, Bao. Okay. Now answer questions 4 to 5 with informations about you. It's about you. It's not about Lara anymore. Okay, Bao? Number 4. Can you read number 4? Letter A. Questions
Do
you have?
you have English on Thursday?
Okay. So do you have English on Thursday, Bao?
Uh,
In your timetable?
yes,
In your
yes, I do.
Okay, yes, I do. Very good. How about number 5? Do you?
Do you have math on Wednesdays?
Do you have math on Wednesdays?
No, 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 I don't.
No, I don't. Okay, well done, Bao. Oops. Okay, so now let's proceed to activity 3. Make questions, then ask and answer with your partner. Okay, so these are scrambled words. So we will going to put it in a proper Okay, in a proper order to construct a questions. For example, you go to school on Saturdays. The answer is, do you go to school on Saturday? And you will going to answer it, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Oh, okay. Number
Mhm.
1.
Do you do homework in the morning?
Do you? Mm-hmm.
In the morning.
Do you? Do
Uh,
you?
yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay,
Do
number
you?
two. Number two.
Do you understand uh, in your math lesson?
Mm-hmm. Do you understand your math lesson? What is your answer?
Math lesson? Uh, no, no, I don't.
You don't understand your math lesson?
No,
Okay, if you don't understand your math lesson, wow, you shouldn't be shy to ask your teacher for clarification. Okay? Okay, Bao? Hello? Hello? Okay. All right, Bao, since we
uh,
don't have much time, we will going to finish our lesson and we will going to continue this activity on Sunday, okay?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, Bao. Bye-bye. And please send your homework, okay? Okay, bye-bye. A good
Goodbye,
night.
teacher.
Bye-bye.